Brioche Fixes! How to deal with a stitch that fell off like a few rows before. So instead of ripping this whole part back, there is a fix for this. Okay, so first of all, when you find out, continue knitting until you get on top of this part where you need to fix. So if you need to secure the stitch first, put it in a safety pin like this. Okay, now it cannot fall until you reach this part, right? And when you reach this part just above the stitch, you can start working. So I'm gonna reach there, so it's just a slip one yarn over on my side, right? And there is where the stitch fell down, and I'm opening it like this so that I can show you exactly what's happening. Okay, so this is what happened right now. So I can take this security pin off, and then I need a crochet hook. Okay, now I go inside this stitch. All right, and now you see I have here the green strands and the white strands. Now I'm working with this white color. It means that the white ones will be the knit ones, the brioche knit ones, and the green ones would be the yarn overs. Therefore, you see I have here, this is the yarn over and this is the knit stitch. So this yarn over here, this strand, has been used for this stitch. So I go up, just, you see, in between, just above the yarn that's been used and have not been used. I go up there, and now I search for the next knit yarn, so the next white yarn, and there it is, this one here. So I go all the way to it from underneath, and I grab it and I pull it through. So that was the brioche knit I'm imitating right now, and I take the needle, the hook out, and go back inside so that it's not gonna be a twisted stitch. Now you've seen that we had two strands, right? We went underneath two strands, so I separate again, and this again is the used yarn over, and I go above it, and in between these two strands again, search for the light color strand and pull it through, and again put the hook back in from the front, and again I have two strands of yarn right here, and I go in between them and pull through, right? And again I have, and let's put the needle correctly, the hook correctly, and then again I have two strands here. That's because this is my knit stitch and this is the yarn over from the other round, and I go like this, put them on the needle, and voila, there I have the stitch back on my needles. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel, and you can check out this playlist which is showing you all my brioche videos and fixes and all these great things. So see you around. Bye bye.